In our last video, we showed two simple ways of restarting Xampp Apache when it's not starting. But what if those ways don't work for you? In that case, you will need another advanced method at hand. Today, we will show you a method just like that. With this method, you will be able to reconfigure Xampp ports 80 and SSL port 443. Let's begin. Port 80 configuration. Open up Xampp and right-click on the config button. Choose Apache httpd.conf. Now, press Ctrl+F to open the search box and locate the line containing ServerName localhost :80. Here it is. Just replace the port number with another one. It can be any random number. For this video, we are using 8012 as an example. Next, locate the line listen 80 and replace it with listen 8012. Done? Now, save the file and restart Xampp. You will see that the Apache module is green, meaning it's running. Under the port section, you can see 8012 instead of 80. SSL configuration. This method is almost the same. It involves reconfiguring the SSL port. To do this, right-click the config button and select Apache httpd.ssl.conf. Open up the search box and search for the listen 443 line. All you now have to do is change the port number to your preferred choice. For this tutorial, we are using 8013. One last thing. Locate a virtual host and change its port number to 8013 as well. All you now have to do is save the file and restart Apache. Let's test the new port by trying to access localhost from the browser. See, it's not working because we changed the default port from 80 to 8012. Put in the new port number 8012 and voila, it opens again. Just so you know, this method works almost every time. But if your chosen port is engaged by another software or process, then your Xampp problem will still be there. If that happens, just change the port numbers with a very random number and Xampp will start working fine. If this video is of any help to you, then please like and share it. We are going to make more tutorial videos like this every week. So do subscribe to our channel to stay updated. If you face any issues with the methods we have shown today, let us know in the comments below. And if you know about a better way to restart Xampp Apache, then share it with us in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.